Hey gang, it's Chris from Ecoustics here with my buddy Adam Weissman from Anker. And they've got a very cool portable projector. It is the soundcore Nebula X1 Pro.
Yep, there you go.
What's it sell for?
$49.99.
Come on. $49.99. That can't be right. That can't be right. I did not expect that.
You tell me if it's worth it. I think it is.
So I'm gonna flip this around and he's gonna show you what it does.
Okay, so this is our Nebula Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro. You'll see it is an all-in-one mobile theater station. So it's it starts with the video portion starts with basically our X1, so 3,500 ANSI lumens. It's 4K. It has auto adaptation, so spatial adaptation. So it'll do screen size, color, keystone correction, all that. It's really, really simple. It kind of scans the wall or your screen, finds it, zooms in, zooms out, pops in, and it's really crisp. But that's the video portion. Mm-hmm. What this does is now we've added a 7.1.4.
The lag gets back.
And the speakers are going to come out. Speakers are going to come out. So now we have your two front channels. They're also removable. Right. So if you're sitting wherever you're sitting, you can put them in front of you so that, you can hear everything directionally.
Yes, that would make sense.
They do have two built-in feet. They are battery powered with 8 hours of battery life in each one. You can charge them if you needed it with a USB-C on the back, but when they're stowed, they are charging. So that is the fronts. However, when it's docked like this, if the projector was in front of you and you just have like a couple people you want, we call that kind of soundbar mode.
Okay.
But here's the thing: if I reach in the back, there are two also rear channel speakers. Same kind of concept. You have stowable feet. So now you can put that here. You have, again, it's Dolby Atmos, so you'll see all four speakers will have upward firing drivers.
Wow.
So that's the X1 Pro. There are two 5.25-inch subwoofers in the base. Mm-hmm. So here, and it's basically powered by 80 watts each. So it will boom. It will shake the room.
Wow.
Or you're outdoor. So it does need to be powered. There's a retractable cable here in the front. It's kind of one of those vacuum style that it retracts.
Okay.
And stows right here.
Okay, so no built-in battery, but hey.
No built-in battery.
Yeah.
But here's the thing. I'm going to make it one step better.
Okay.
Or two steps better. Let me just
wait, there's more?
There's more.
I think auto lock.
So first, if you want to take it to go, you can just retractable handle.
Okay.
There's a little, the base output port is where you put your foot to tilt it. However, with this other button, you push that button, open it up.
Oh, no way.
You can turn the party into karaoke time. So you got two wireless microphones.
This is crazy.
You also have the remote stows in there. So stores in there, so you never lose that. There is a light in here as well, so you can see that. There's a little space for some other cables.
Yeah.
And that one does that.
So again, this is all inclusive?
This is all inclusive.
Together.
It's the all-in-one mobile theater station.
What's the price again?
$49.99.
You can't sell something at that price and all of this.
And we do have both a 120 or a 200-inch inflatable screen that we have bundles with it as well.
Wow.
So and the screens actually have a basically a thing that's kind of like this that fits into here, so you can very easily clip it to the screen. So you don't have to have the speakers on the ground.
Oh, nice. And, okay, so it's available on all the usual suspect shops like Amazon.
It's going to be available in like 2 weeks.
Oh,
it's about January 20th.
Originally a Kickstarter, right?
It was.
Okay.
$8.3 million on Kickstarter.
And have you started shipping to backers yet?
Yeah. It's already...
This month?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
This month, end of last month.
And what's the lumen output of the projector?
3,500.
That's insane. And thanks for stopping by. See you later, Adam.
Thanks. Great to see you.